Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I have no clue where we are on this map right now.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a little road trip around Tennessee in this 2014 Cadillac CTS Coupe. Except we're going to do it with one little twist. Check it out.
So the plan was to get to Burgess Falls State Park here in Tennessee using nothing but a road map. But here at British Petroleum gas stations, they don't have any road maps. So I guess it's just me, the wife, and Google Maps. It's probably best for our marriage that there was no road map today. Anyway, let's go. Burgess Falls. Here we go. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but now's probably as good a time as any to say it, but it's your birthday. We're gonna try to make it a really good day. First stop on this road trip is Cracker Barrel, where we're gonna have a nice, good old-fashioned country breakfast. One thing I noticed, these little pegboard game, I've only ever seen these at like these little diner things. My dad was a truck driver, and when he used to take us out on the road with him, when we'd go to like all these like truck stops or like these like crappy little diners that are dotting all around the United States, like this was the only fun thing to do, or semi-fun thing to do. So then my dad bought me one of these because he seemed to see that I enjoyed it, even though like I would have much rather had like a PlayStation or something. But E for effort. I've been looking for one of these for a while. Switchblade comb, so I can do that and be all cool. Except my hair is so thick that this is made for like a 5-year-old white kid's hair, not like a 30-year-old Spanish man with a thick mane to tame. When we told the server we're from Canada, the verbatim words were, "Y'all a little bit tan to be from up there with all that snow, right?"
Yeah, we are.
What do you say to that?
I know.
Oh man, let me get that door for you, love.
Thank you.
I always do this. Totally not just doing it for the YouTube channel. We are definitely too tan to be from Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just not going to explain the whole immigration situation in Canada.
Well.
Not when there's a gun store across the street. Guns. And I didn't see no sign on this Cracker Barrel here that said you can't bring your gun in there.
That's true. It's
All right?
true.
So that's scary as... Found a road map at the stop. Should we try it?
I mean, sure. Up to you.
Let's first of all see if we can even find where we are and where we're going. Get out here. This is a road map. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I have no clue where we are on this map right now. Ah, there we go. So we started off in Nashville here, went along I-40. All right, this is gonna be completely useless. Can you go into my phone and see where we are right now? Well, because we didn't start with the map.
Check the phone.
No, I know where we are. Yeah, you know what? Screw it. We're gonna use the GPS. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Like,
Okay. Just
we're here, but then the Burgess Falls is. That's what I can't find on the map.
this is why they developed technology. All right. Well, let's use the coffee.
Oh, there it is, Burgess Falls. I was looking way too far. We're really close.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, it's been about an hour.
So we'll go, keep on I-40 until we get to 135.
135
And then 135.
will take us to that dotted line.
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah,
135 should get us there.
Yeah.
We have a plan. So your job then is to tell me when we get to 135.
Okay.
In 600 meters, turn right.
We just arrived at Burgess Falls State Park. There's already some rapids behind us here, but we gotta like hike to the steep big falls. At least that's what it says on the map, so let's check it out. All right, let's keep going. Hey, how are you? Again, people are just so friendly here. Wow. Check that out.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see